everyone! Thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will make no oil and water enoki steamed drumstick recipe. I hope you will like it. Friends who like to eat steamed chicken, remember to save the recipe. This home-style steamed chicken is very fresh, sweet and delicious. The chicken is also very tender and delicious. Enoki mushrooms steamed drumsticks. Pat dry drumstick with kitchen towel. Marinate drumstick. Mix well. Wash and hand break enoki mushroom. Place it in steam plate. Diced spring onion. Place onion white and onion green separately. Sliced ginger. Place ginger slices on enoki and drumsticks. Place drumstick on enoki mushrooms. Wash red dates and cut into small pieces. Steam over high heat for 20 minutes, then simmer for 2 minutes. Drumstick is cooked. If the chicken appears whitish and no blood streaks are visible, it means it is almost done. Or try inserting a chopstick into it. If the chopstick can be inserted easily, it means it is cooked. Garnish with spring onion and goji berries. Well, let's eat! Do give it a try! The chicken legs steamed without oil or water are really tender and the soup is very sweet, tasty. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. According to traditional medicine, red dates are a chatonifying medicine that nourishes the stomach and spleen, nourishes blood and chi, detoxifies, protects the liver, and enhances muscle strength. It can moisten the lungs, relieve coughs, treat deficiency, and nourish the stomach. If people with hot constitution eat red dates, the fever will be aggravated. Women with a hot and dry constitution during menstruation are not suitable to eat red dates, as it may cause heavy menstrual blood flow and harm the body. Enoki mushrooms contain a large amount of dietary fiber, which can absorb bile acid, lower cholesterol, and promote gastrointestinal motility. Regular consumption has certain benefits for patients with hyperlipidemia. Enoki mushrooms has a cooling property. People with weak digestion should try not to eat enoki mushrooms to avoid symptoms of indigestion. Goji berries can lower blood sugar, fight fatty liver, and fight atherosclerosis. Don't drink wolfberry with green tea. Don't eat it with beef, milk, crab, and other foods. It is contraindicated for use by those with external pathogens, excessive heat, selenium deficiency, dampness, and diarrhea. Ginger contains volatile gingerol and other ingredients, which can promote blood circulation in the human body, excite the nervous system, help dispel wind and cold, and enhance the digestive function of the gastrointestinal tract. The gingerols contained in ginger can prevent vomiting and relieve nausea, but in addition, it can also relieve gastric bloating caused by eating too fast and indigestion. Chicken has a low fat content and contains a lot of unsaturated fatty acids, which is beneficial to patients with cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases. Okay, I've talked about the benefits of so many ingredients. Thank you for bear with my nagging. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.